Today, I'm going to show you how to use presenter mode. I've already logged in as a faculty user in Aporto, and I've launched the Windows desktop. In the top menu, I see an icon that looks like a person presenting to a group of people. I'm going to click this. And now I can choose the group I want to present to, in this case, the Math 101 class. And optionally, I can turn on my microphone if I want my students to hear my voice. For now, I'm going to keep the microphone off so that you don't hear echo in this recording and just choose to share my screen. Now for my students. If I look at their screen for a moment, the students will see a message that says the faculty would like to share their screen, and it gives them an option. They can either choose to open my screen in a brand new tab. And now they see in the title bar that they can view my screen. Or say the student only has a single monitor and just wants to keep everything within the same screen. They can choose to view my desktop and page, in which case they see my desktop almost like frame-in-frame TV. They can click on the title bar to drag this around so they can watch what I'm doing and then work in parallel. So, for example, if I go back to my own desktop and start Mathematica, the students can watch what I'm doing and mimic the steps, essentially watching my demonstration and trying it out for themselves. Now when I'm done presenting, all I need to do to stop is click again on the presenter mode icon and choose to stop sharing. When I've done this, my students see a notification that I've stopped screen sharing and the session is ended. They simply close the page to stop viewing the session. And that's how you use the presenter mode feature.